Hey, my name is Chris, or Christopher, or Easy. I'm 41 years old, and I'm a musician and a driver, and I live in Lagro, Quezon City, Philippines. Melo, or I call him Kuya Melo, because Kuya is like a big brother. Well, he is. He's a big brother to me. He took care of me when I ran away from home back in, what year was that? I think it's 2003, like that, or 2002. I lived with them for 2 years. He's very kind. He's a best friend. He's a mentor. He was one of my mentors. My mentors are those three brothers, Kuya Melo, Kuya Chuck, and Kuya Ace, and they've been very good to me ever since. Just giving me advices and everything. So, even if you're close to him, or if you're doing something wrong, he's not gonna play with you along. If he knows it's wrong, it's wrong. He's gonna correct you. That's what I like from him. You can't influence him on his belief. Just as long as he knows he's right, he's gonna make you right too. That's what I like about him. Man, when he messes with me when I'm drunk, they always do this jokes or pranks on me, but then they'd all laugh, and then, well, sometimes I get pissed off, and then after a while it would be like, man, you did that. Does anybody have superpower? Well, I don't know. Maybe I haven't discovered it yet, but I guess drinking lots of beer and having friends is my superpower. We should always think about doing good, not what's good only for us, but rather what's good for other people as well. Well, I'm proud of my family, proud of my band, my son, my daughter. I'm proud of being a Filipino for that. Spirit vegetable. I don't think it's legal. Well, I do not expect anything from a friend. Just do your thing. If I like you, what you do to me, we can be friends. I don't expect too much. That's the thing, because I don't want any regrets. So I just go with the flow. If you did something bad, well, maybe we can part ways as friends. But keep doing good to me, and I keep doing good to you. We'll have a good relationship, good friendship. That's it. Very important. You can't live without friends. It's one thing. You can't live alone or with just your family. You still need friends. You still need to mingle with other people. So in life, you have to experience friendship. You have to live with it until you die. Almost every day. I have friends in our neighborhood, so just waking up, getting coffee or smoking, you can easily see a friend passing by, and then we talk for like 15 to 20 minutes a day. That's cool. But if we're not busy, well, we can talk about it even for an hour or two, or just hang out if we're not going to do anything. So yeah, every day I see friends. I'm kind of choosy or picky, but I have a lot. I have a lot of friends, but sometimes, like right now, I'm not that famous. I'm not that famous, but we're in a band and we're going places. I see a lot of people who wants to make friends with me, but then I'm kind of skeptic, because who knows, maybe he might use you because you just met him. So, but sometimes you give trust, but then when that trust is broken, just even for one time, then it's all gone. So sometimes I'm really skeptic meeting new people. I'm sending you guys to my older cousin. It's like an older brother. He's in Nagano, Japan. Yeah, I'm sorry. He's in Nagano, Japan, and he's a pianist and a singer. I like that he's good in music. I'm a frustrated. Well, I have this keyboard, but I don't really know how to play it. My hands all get tangled up when I touch the keyboard for. But he's a pianist, so I admire him for that. And he's much experienced as a musician. I look up to him because you know, I think I could still learn so much from music from him. You know, if only we could have more time to spend with each other. You know. There's one thing. I think just last night when we were chatting, okay, and then he keeps sending me these voice messages. Like I have to hear it like from the back of my phone, and then I have to type it, and then I have to play it again if I forgot what he said because it's too long. Like 30 seconds is too long for a message, you know. Why not just type it so I can review it? That drives me crazy because, you know. But me, I don't want to do this voice thing because it's kind of weird. Always take care. You always travel. You're out of the country, you know. Just keep yourself safe and just keep doing what you're doing. I love the music. I love how you play. I always watch it when you go live, and I hope we could. If you come home in the Philippines soon, I hope we could hang out and, you know, just be us and talk about anything or even music, you know. That's because it's in our blood, you know. I told you that it's in our blood to be musicians. So yeah, I hope we could spend more time. Yeah. Take care.